Today we are going to discuss a very important area, very interesting, very exciting area, that is called journalism. Very good afternoon. It's such a wonderful weather today. Today we are going to discuss a very important area as a career option. Friends, in our series of discussions on career counseling for Indian youth, today we are going to discuss a very important area, very interesting, very exciting area, that is called journalism. How a person or a student who completes his +2 or +3 can be a journalist, can take up journalism as a career option and can deliver. Friends, as you know that a journalist is a very important person in the society. It is a journalist by his writing, by his coverage. He reflects the society. He is like a mirror. He reflects the society. In fact, he is the man, he is the woman. They can really bring about the truth, and they can be the real game changer. That is important. So friends, how do you go about journalism? Journalism is such an interesting area. So one can join as a graduation course, and after that one can go for a PG course, and subsequently one can go for PhD or research course. So friends, if you want to be a journalist, after your +2 you can go for diploma courses, or after +3 you can go for your graduation courses or post-graduation courses. You can join at the graduation level, at the post-graduation level, but your background must be of any branch. You can come up, but you can join in a proper media courses. So friends, let me start with that. BA in journalism and MA in journalism, they call it BA in mass communication and MA in mass communication. So how do you go about it? Friends, the best institute which gives training in mass communication is the Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi, and with its regional branches in Odisha, in Maharashtra, in Kerala, in Mizoram, and in Jammu Kashmir. So these are the regional centers they have. They have a one common entrance test every year, and if you clear that, then you can go for a mass communication courses. The mass communications at the graduation level, also at the PG level. So Institute of Mass Communication is the #1 institute imparting training in mass communication and journalism, and that is the #1 course offered by the Ministry of Broadcasting. Friends, apart from that, you are also having a lot of other schools, universities, colleges. They also give you a lot of training in journalism. For example, if you go to Mumbai, if you go to Pune Film and Television Institute, if you go to the Planning and Architecture College in Delhi, or if you go to Shantiniketan, if you go to Jamia Millia University in New Delhi, they also offer courses in mass communication, and they are also too good. So they are also equivalent to it. So you can join the mass courses, mass communication courses in these institutes also. So first of all, you need to be trained properly in a proper institute. That is important. The second thing is that what it teaches you. Nowadays, a journalist is no longer a just simple journalist. He's just what he sees and he writes. Now you are a journalist. You can be a reporter. You can be a content writer. You can be a photojournalist, you can be a web journalist, you can be a TV journalist. You can go to media can cover everything. It is print media, it is electronic media, it is social media. Everywhere your presence is there. So the contemporary trend has always been that the focus on digital media, that is more important for you. So friends, when if you want to be a journalist, to be trained in a recognized proper institute, and then you have to take your internship in a proper place. Suppose in Times of India group, or maybe in the Hindustan Times group, or maybe in the NDTV group. Somewhere you have to be trained properly as an intern so that you can have the feel and pulse of the journalism thing. And remember, journalism is an area which is actually extremely important today. It is one area where you can really deliver if you have the passion for journalism, and if you are really hungry for giving justice to people, you want the adventure of ideas, you want the truth to come out, be a successful journalist. Thank you.